I'm Pat, the tour guide you never knew you needed. Pete's Garage Bar embraces the dive bar aesthetic and promises sarcastic service with a smile. Come on! What do spark plugs, tailpipes, and valve caps have in common? They're all supercharged menu items here at Pete's Garage. Sarah, a pair of jumper cables, walks into a bar. The bartender says, "I'll serve you, but you better not start anything." Show the world you're a fan of Pete's with one of these tuned up snapbacks. Nothing under the hood here. Pete's, one garage you hope you'll get stuck in. You can watch the game, eat a burger, or just hide from your boss. Fill her up at Pete's Garage. So, do you guys know why you should always carry peanut butter in your car?
No.
In case there's a traffic jam. What did the car say to the stoplight? You've changed, man.
Oh, yeah.